Planning a move to Barcelona? Wondering how far your English will get you? Here's what you really need to know about the language landscape. Catalan and Spanish are the official languages. In Barcelona, people speak both Catalan and Spanish, and many locals switch between them easily. English isn't one of the official languages, so don't expect it on every street sign or government form. You'll find more English in certain neighborhoods. Areas like Example, Elborn, and parts of Grazia are packed with expats and tourists. Here, many restaurant staff, shopkeepers, and even landlords speak conversational English, but fluency isn't guaranteed. But don't expect everyone to speak English, especially when dealing with paperwork, healthcare, or local services. Government offices and healthcare usually don't use English. When you're setting up your residency, health insurance, or registering for services, most of the process will happen in Catalan or Spanish. Hiring a translator or local fixer can make things much easier. Learn the basics. It really helps. Just a few Spanish or Catalan phrases can go a long way in showing respect and building trust. Locals really appreciate it when foreigners try, even if your grammar isn't perfect. English can get you by in Barcelona, especially in central areas, but learning even a little local language will transform your experience. Need help navigating paperwork or finding English-speaking service providers in Barcelona? Renovate Manager has local experts ready to help.